Martrix industrial-grade 3D printer is designed for design firms and small R&D teams. It allows for concept evaluation and prototype verification.
Martrix will become an essential partner in the development and research process.
Martrix One is born to make creation easier. It can handle remote transmission, power calibration, printing triggering, and etc. One touch can make all this happen. It is intelligent and efficient.
Today, we'll take you through the software and how it works with Martrix 190 to get from 0 to 1.
You can view the task details page and device details page on Martrix One. You need to connect your device to the printer before using, all in one touch. When connected, the device can be monitored in real time on the device details page. With the built-in BS software architecture, Martrix One allows to work collaboratively and even enables multitask queues. Select the device that you want to work on and enter the interface of print configuration before printing. Select the material and thickness, or opt for custom settings according to the tag. Different from traditional software, Martrix One supports OTA material database and obtains the latest material packages through OTA upgrades. Once you press OK, return to the task details page and add the file to be printed. Martrix One supports STL and CLI file formats, and users can print on demand. Start the process will automatically jump to PolyDevs Pro for pre-print processing. Place the print model in the right place. PolyDevs Pro's automatic typesetting feature enables more print outputs in a single task. The module repair function allows for automatic or manual repair of 3D models. The texture mapping system enables to convert the texture into a 3D model and make slicing with textures possible. After model processing, click Support to view the automatic support script parameters on PolyDevs Pro. Achieve truly auto processing. After finishing the operation, click the H floating window to return to Martrix One for printing. Fill in the information in the Add Task box and click Start Print to start creation. Supported by Martrix One and PolyDevs Pro, Martrix 190 can offer ultimate user experience and maximum convenience in both hardware and software, and from structure to details.